はじめまして。私の名前は Tokiko です。My name is Tokiko Powell. I'm the Japanese teacher at MacArthur High School.
私はキュラです。はじめましてどうぞ。
I love seeing the students and learning, growing as a person and learning the language. 顔を洗います。It's just like a light bulb. They're turning on in their heads. That's what I love about teaching. I believe language is not just words. It's a culture, it's a tradition, it's a community. 1:12 p.m. Correct. It is not about teaching the subject inside out. It is about inspiring students and sparking a love for learning and creating supportive environment where students can feel valued and can achieve their full potential.